Hi everyone, it's Peter here, just sitting in my camper van shooting this short video just to show you what I've been up to. It's a Ford Transit, it's an ex-ambulance. I converted it into a camper van. I didn't know what I was doing, just learned off YouTube videos, went on there and learned how to do all the cabinetry, etc. As you can see up at the top there, it's got some overhead cabinets. It's got a little cabinet there, it's got a sink unit, little spice racks, etc. Over the cab there, it's got another storage compartment. It's got a sliding door, it's got a little table there on the side which folds down, and overhead lockers. It's got lights above there, and it's got a bed. I don't know if you can see the bed. I'm sitting on it. I'm not very good with this selfie stick, but it has got sliding beds. They're like two single beds which slide together and form a double bed. So it's very comfortable actually. It's got a water tank underneath, it's got a fridge, it's got fans, and it's got air conditioning when I get around to fixing it. But that's another job down the track. So there we go. I'm just letting you know or showing you what I've been up to, and anybody can do this. If I can do it, anybody can, because I had no clue really what I was doing. I was just following what other people had done on YouTube, and learning new skills actually. And most of the wood here is recycled, just bits and pieces that I found lying around. And the only tools I had was a one power tool, one what do you call drill, and I had a saw, and I had a sanding machine. That's about all. So yeah, anybody can do it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.